Excuse me, where is seat 14C, please?
Right this way, sir. It's on the aisle.
Aisle? What is aisle?
It means the walking path between seats. You're not by the window.
Oh no.
Actually, aisle seats are better. You can get up anytime.
That's true. Can I put my bag in the box up there?
It's called the overhead bin. Leo.
Got it. Can I put my bag in the overhead bin?
Sure, just make sure it's closed properly.
I putted it perfectly. See, Mia?
I put it. Put doesn't change in past tense, remember?
Oh, right. Put, put, put. Like hit, hit, hit.
Exactly.